Hello, and thank you so much for joining me here. My daughter, son-in-law, and my grandbaby were here for most of the week to celebrate Thanksgiving with me. That's the reason for me not baking any goodies for this vlog. So I thought since we are now in the Advent season, why not make some scented spice scented Christmas ornaments. And later you'll see me make a very special Advent wreath. Bit of gold sparkles. Now these will dry out for about 2 to 3 days, and then I'll hang them on the Christmas tree. I've had these white pots for quite some time now, but did not use them this summer. So I thought, why not create a somewhat garden themed Advent wreath? Quite pretty indeed. Be devoted to one another in brotherly love. Give preference to one another in honor, not lagging behind in diligence, fervent in spirit, serving the Lord. Romans 12:10-11. Until next time, have a beautiful week, and I'll see you soon.